Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you have a Honda CT125, you know that this bar right here can be a real pain in the butt, literally. The problem is when you sit, especially if you're big like me, I sit back so far that your tailbone will hit this metal bar. And I've noticed that some people take and cut this off, but I don't want to cut that off. I like it to be there to protect if anything comes up against the seat. So Kemimoto has sent me this, and it's a pad to go on here. So this should fix it. I'm gonna open this up here, stick it on. Now this is gonna be a short video. It's not like I can make a long video of installing a butt pad, as you would call it. I think it even has instructions. Can you imagine it having instructions? Yeah, it tells you how to put it on. So I don't believe we're gonna need instructions, but this should help a lot, because boy, if I tell you that bar right there, if you hit a hard bump, it definitely hurts. So I think it's going to be better to probably raise the seat to do this. Yeah, now we got room. Just set that on there like so. I guess you can turn the logo whichever way you want. Not much to it. But at least now there's some padding there, so if I sit on it here, but yeah, you can already tell the difference. I can scoot back and that don't hurt at all. So pretty cool. Thanks to Kemimoto. I'm not getting paid anything. They just sent me this to review and to install on the bike and show you guys. I will post a link in the description where you can check one of these out. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you all on the next one. Right on.